big challenge I have, right, is I have people coming in the door and a lot of farmers, so there's a lot of trapped in manure and mud. We have a lot of construction, so we have a lot of just regular old mud, dust, dirt coming in. Your automotive guys are dragging oil in. Farmers are dragging in a lot of oils because they're carrying in hydraulic hoses with the ends down, you know, and you just cringe every time they come through your door. It's like, I love making you a hose and the money that comes from that, but I hate how you walked in here with that.
Yeah.
So yeah, it's, you know.
And that's not something you want them to continue to track around with it when it's that chemical, or even handle yourself.
Yeah, and it creates a fall hazard too, right? So, you know, once you have oil on the floor, it's very slick. All it takes is the wrong person coming in and